It's back. The legend. After decades of rumors and rider dreams, Kawasaki has officially revived the KX500 for 2026, and yes, it's every bit as wild as you hoped. Whether you're a motocross diehard or just curious about the beast behind the name, you're in the right place. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you no-nonsense insights on the latest rides. Design. Let's start with the looks. The new KX500 stays true to its heritage, tall, aggressive, and unmistakably Kawasaki, with that iconic green plastics and sharp body lines. But it's slimmer, more refined, and clearly built for modern motocross. The aluminum perimeter frame is all new, designed for high-speed stability and improved rider feedback. Performance. Now the big question, what's powering this monster? It's a brand new 499 cubic centimeters fuel-injected two-stroke. That's right, Kawasaki went all in on modern two-stroke tech. Power delivery is explosive but more controllable than the original, and with electronic power valve tuning, you get torque down low and screaming power up top. The 5-speed gearbox is slick, and weight has been kept impressively low for a 500 class bike. Features and tech. Kawasaki didn't just slap a motor in a frame, they gave the KX500 real upgrades. You get adjustable launch control, tunable engine maps, and a lightweight digital display for diagnostics. The suspension is top-tier Showa, fully adjustable front and rear, built to handle serious jumps and fast terrain. Conclusion. The 2026 KX500 isn't just a throwback, it's a full-throttle reimagining of a legend, built for modern riders who want raw power without sacrificing control. If you're as pumped as we are, hit like, drop a comment below with your thoughts, share with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more real-world motorcycle reviews. Stay fast and stay safe.